everybody, my name is Janiyah Aaliyah and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. You look amazing. And you know what else would be amazing? If you hit that subscribe button. No, seriously, I'll wait. Hurry up, we got stuff to do. Okay, great. So if you're watching this video, it's probably because you've seen my beautiful thumbnail, or you saw my title, or you're just interested in headband wigs and want to see what I'm talking about. So great. So today I will be trying on my LuvMe hair headband wig, and if you want to see a few styles and also watch me install this wig, keep watching. All right everybody, so behold, it's the wig of all wigs. Okay, so this wig, oh my gosh guys, I have been so excited to get this wig, only because lazy, that's me, and if that's you too, then you're gonna need this wig. So for those of y'all who don't know, this is a headband wig by LuvMe Hair. I just got it today. I had my dog sitting on the stairs ready to bark when UPS pulled up with this wig. Okay, so I was ready. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this box. Y'all see the cute little box, and I'm gonna tell you everything they have in it. I'm just so excited to put this wig on because it's quick and easy. You don't have to worry about no glue, don't have to worry about freaking laying down a ball cap, nothing. So I'm ready. So of course we have the actual wig itself here in this cute little, what's this, sheer bag. Okay, and so then I took everything out of this bag, but this, y'all, is so cute. It comes with a little, what is this, translucent, I don't know what the other word is, but this little thing is so cute. And so that came with some bobby pins. I'm thinking that's for like extra, like an extra, what they call it, hold, extra hold. Why do I act like I don't know how to speak English? Oh my gosh. For more security, they gave you some bobby pins, tweezers. Not quite sure what you would need the tweezers for. Maybe they just telling me to pluck my eyebrows, I don't know. And a cute little LuvMe hair clip. This is so cute, like y'all, this is adorable. Oh my goodness. And also, and this was my favorite part of this entire package, they gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 free headbands. Okay, and for those of y'all who are wondering, I only paid $108 for this wig because during Christmas they had a crazy sale and I got like 25% off and then like another $4 off, and it was just amazing. Okay, it was just amazing. And so I'm gonna go ahead and open this wig and show y'all this quick and easy install. And also I'm gonna give y'all a few styles to do for this wig, y'all, because I'm hype. Okay, I'm hype because I'm a wig girl. But sometimes, like when I'm at school, you just don't have time to do the whole install. So guys, this is the inside of the wig, and it comes with clamps, which is good because that way like you don't have to worry about the wig falling off or sliding off or somebody trying you and pulling it off. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this middle clamp, and I always got to use my nose to find the middle. So, and I kind of put my, it's up to you where you like, how you want to place your wig, but I kind of put my twist a little farther back just so I can have like more room like for placement when I do my wig. And I'm just kind of clamping it to my twist. You don't want it too tight, y'all, because when y'all do these styles that we getting ready to do, y'all gonna see why you don't want to clamp it too tight. So just clamp it somewhere comfortable. This wig is really all about comfort. And so as y'all can see, we gotta get back here. Okay, and oh my goodness, oh my god, how did you grow this hair? Oh my goodness. Okay, and so the first style I'm going to show y'all once I find my hair tie. Perfect. So the first style I'm going to show y'all is going to be like a little quick and easy half up, half down. And me personally, I love, that was bothering me, y'all, it was bothering me, but me personally, I love me a nice little half up, half down, edges done. That was already done. I forgot to tell y'all I did my edges, but y'all noticed. And so I'm gonna just grab some hair And this hair is also really soft and the curls are extremely juicy. It's realistic. And so yes, grabbing some hair. And as y'all can see, the combs are down in there. So this wig is literally not going anywhere. Don't stare at my armpits. Why would you look? Oh my gosh, stop looking. And so bada boom, bada bing. Y'all, it's serving. It's definitely serving. And me personally, I'm a plain Jane type gal. Like, I wear all black on a daily basis. So right now, because you know I don't know how to dress, I'm gonna keep on my black headband because I like it. But keep in mind, you got these if you need them, and you can also mix and match your own headbands. But yeah, so this is the half up, half down. And if you just want to, you know, do something a little different, you can go ahead and grab this ponytail part and wrap it around to make you a little bun. And so boom, now you got you a bun, half up, half down. And y'all, do y'all see how quick and easy these styles are? Like literally no effort. So if this is your first wig, make this your first wig, okay? It may not tell you much about lace fronts, but it's still gonna give you this look, okay? And that's all that matters, it's the look. So this is the bun, half up, half down. And so this style may be a favorite because this one I'm gonna do a high ponytail first. And so for the high ponytail, you may need a headband just because like the little velcro part in the back, you want to cover that. That's ratchet, okay? And so hold on, let me grab a headband. Okay, so here's my headband. What is this, cheetah print? I think some animal. Ugh. So I got the headband now, and I'm gonna keep the headband on my neck for now. And so I'm just kind of pushing all the hair up as far as I can, trying not to do too hard because I don't want nothing to move out of place. And so y'all can kind of see my wig cap back there a little bit because I didn't do a really good job at tucking the wig under the rest of the headband. But just act like you don't see it, y'all. But it's really just how, like, do y'all see how realistic it is? Okay, because I do. And so first things first, I want to do this little high pony or high puff. And so in this case, you're gonna pull up your headband, and I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna do a little 180 so y'all can see. But the headband is kind of like, I think it's wider in the back, so that way like you get full coverage back there. Only thing y'all may see is my kitchen, but who cares? Okay, so here's the back. Okay, and so here is my little high puff. Y'all, I just love this wig so much. Y'all, actually, this was on my Christmas list, but I ended up being so anxious I bought it myself. So no, I didn't get 2 wigs because Santa skipped me. But anyways, so we can go through, wrap that around, and then we have ourselves a cute little loungy bun. Like when you sitting here doing homework, when I'm sitting here definitely editing this video, this is what I'm gonna be rocking. So y'all just know. Y'all just know. But oh my goodness, like this is so beautiful. And so of course I'm gonna take it out because this style just would not be right if I didn't wear it down, okay? And so take my headband off because I'm plain Jane. And I feel like one of you guys should test it out because I'm too lazy. Like, this is a lazy wig, okay? So I'm not gonna do all that. But one of y'all should test out like a little braid out or something on the wig. And let me know in the comment section below how yours came out. And let me know if you're enjoying your wig. And so just as some background information, this wig is 14 inches. I thought about getting a 16-inch, but I don't like, if it's curly big hair, I don't want it that long. I don't want it that long. So yeah, this is how I like mine. And you can also maybe do like a little side part, throw everything to the side if you want to. But other than that, I'm gonna give y'all a close-up look, and look at these juicy curls. Let me get some mousse and I'm gonna spice this up for y'all, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just kind of added a little mousse. If you want to, it reacts extremely well to water. So if y'all definitely want to do water instead of mousse, because my mousse, like, child, I don't want to waste my mousse and I can just use water. But yes, y'all, look, like, it's really serving. And y'all, there, it's so voluminous. Like, it's really bouncing, okay? But so those are my few quick and easy styles for this convenient headband wig. But all in all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all know I love doing hair videos like this, and if y'all love watching them, please make sure you leave a comment in the section below, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content like this on my channel, and I will see y'all on my next video.